lots of fish here.
All right, so we are out here on Lake Erie, about 2.5 miles out. I've got the brand new MotorGuide Xi3. I'm seeing lots of marks down here. We made it out here in record time. We are in 50 feet of water, and again, seeing lots of marks. So let's see if we can capitalize on some of this. This is a tough session right now. I have not hooked up with anything. I've seen a couple of marks on the bottom, but really nothing is showing itself right now. So I've got a Cabela's mean eye jig, and we're just jigging it right off the bottom. I'm only using my one camera right now. I just want to see if I can get some, see if we can get some fish going here. This has been again, first session of testing with the MotorGuide Xi3 with spot lock or anchor mode, and haven't hooked up with anything, but we're trying this new spot. I'm gonna move slightly, bring this up. There we go. Let's move over to the spot. Pretty sunny right here. Coming up on it. It's a big intake crib, and it is deep. And here's some mayflies, man. Mayflies everywhere. Floating into it. I don't see anything yet. Is this even my waypoint? Is this my spot? That is the question. There it is. Yeah, I see it. Where is this thing? I see lots of stuff down here. I just don't see any fishies. I'm gonna slide over. It's super quiet out here. Not a peep. Where are you at, little fish? There's something under there. There we go. What do we got? Oh, it'd be nice if this was a walleye, but this is a drum. Guarantee it. It's a walleye. That is a walleye. Yes! Oh, that's a big walleye. Thank God. Ooh boy, he's big. Oh man, that's awesome. Look at that. Jesus, nice. All right. That's what I needed. Exactly what I needed. All right, take this, put him here like that. Okay. Oh yeah. Look at that. That's big. Look at him. Look at that. All right. What we need to do is measure him. Let's see what he measures in at. If he's gonna get me on the board. $25. First things first. There we go. There we go. Oh yeah. Look at that rod bend. Oh, holy moly. That's another big walleye, hopefully. Oh yeah. Oh, he got off. Man, that was big. Bummer. Take my time. I gotta take my time. I'm going a little bit too aggressive. Go. Weird. What the hell? Really? That's gotta happen. There we are. Alright, you go there. You are a little tiny walleye, but you're still a good walleye. Alright, a few more minutes. This is a good spot. All right, welcome back to another beautiful morning on Lake Erie. It is going to be a very nice day. I'm meeting my buddy Josh out here at our spot. We're gonna try to jig up some walleye and whatever will bite. I was out here last night. I caught a couple of very nice ones, including a 25-inch walleye. I've got the new MotorGuide Xi3. I got rid of the Bixpy and went with the MotorGuide, and it is a game changer. The GPS anchor is the main reason that I purchased this, and the longevity as well, and it really holds up. So let's head on out and meet Josh out here at the spot and do some jigging for some walleye. Again, thanks for joining me. I see Josh out there already. It looks like he's already getting onto something. Yeah, he looks like he's already got a fish on. Good for him. All right, let's see what we can get into. We've got the Bass X and the Shimano 150 HG. DC, we're also using a Cabela's Mean Eye blade, another good one that really picks them up. There we go. Please be a walleye. It could be a walleye, man. Yeah. I'm feeling lucky. Oh, I think I see him. What do we, no, I don't see him. What do we got? What do we got? Oh, yeah. Big walleye. Oh, he's running. Oh, yeah. About 23, 24. Well, unfortunately, I foul hooked him, so I'm not going to keep him. But he's a big one. Let's see. Look at this one, bro. There we go. Big walleye. All right, see you later, fella. What's that? Yeah. That's what's, this is the only thing that I really despise about jigging is the foul hook. I get a lot of foul hooks, and it's so, I used to, I don't know, man, I used to not care as much, but now it's just, it's illegal to take them, and I'm shooting video, so it's like, okay. I think you're right, man. I think you're right. There's a million walleye in here. But that was oh, look at this right off. I just let it go to the bottom. Please be the same one, but hooked right. What do we got? I think this one could be oh yeah, here's another walleye. No, it's a drum. He's so skinny, he looks like a walleye. There we go. There we go, fella. Let's get you out of here. Let's get you back in. Hey, little guy. See you. So we are jigging a Ned rig, and we just caught a fish on the Ned rig. There we go. What do we got? Drum. There. And little drum. Little drum. There we go. All right, buddy. Always nice. Hooking up, I don't care what it is.
Funny we get to the point where it's like catching fish gets annoying.
Yes, it is.